cos 80 plus cos 160 plus cos 270 is equal to dash. This is given MSET 1996. You see friends, cos 240 is equal cos 270 minus 30. This is in third quadrant. This is minus sin 30. This is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. You see, this is cos 40. This is cos 80 plus cos 160. Cos C plus cos D. C plus cos D is equal to cos C plus D by 2. Cos C minus D by 2. This formula I applied here. This is cos 40. 80 plus 160. 240 by 2 is equal to cos 120. 80 minus 160 cos minus 80. That means cos of minus theta is equal cos minus theta is equal cos theta. Cos minus theta is equal cos theta. That's why this is cos 40. You see cos 40. This is minus 1 by 2. 2 cos 120 means cos 90 plus 30. This is sin 30. This is sin 30 means 1 by 2. These two will get cancelled. This will get cancelled. This value is minus 1 by 2. This value is minus 1 by 2. This is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This is sin 15 root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This root 3 will get cancelled. This is 2 by root 2. This is 1 by root 2. Its value is 1 by root 2. This is the MSET 1996 also. This is given in MSET 1996 plus tan 75. This is given in MSET 1987. MSET 1987. Tan 15 means 2 minus root 3. Tan 75 means 2 plus root 3. These two will get cancelled. This is 4. Sin alpha minus beta is equal to 5 by 13. 5 by 13. Tan 2 alpha. Then tan 2 alpha is equal to dash. Question given in MSET 2002. You see friends, cos alpha plus beta. This is cos alpha plus beta. Cos alpha adjacent side by hypotenuse. This is 3. Therefore, sin alpha plus tan alpha plus beta is equal tan alpha plus beta is equal 3 by 4. You see sin alpha minus beta 5, 13. This is 12. This is 12. Therefore, tan alpha minus beta is equal 5 by 13. 5 by 13. Now, coming to the point tan 2 alpha. Tan 2 alpha is equal, this can be written tan alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. This is tan alpha plus beta plus tan alpha minus beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha plus beta into tan alpha minus beta. Okay, this is tan alpha plus beta is equal 3 by 4. Tan alpha minus beta is equal 5 by 13 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 into 5 by 13. This is 39 plus 20. 39 plus 20. 56 minus 15. 56 minus 15. You see in 59. This is 59 by 52 minus 15. How much? 52, 37. You see. That is 5 by 12. This is 12. You see now 56 by 33. Tan theta 1 by cot theta 2 is equal K. on component and dividend. This becomes tan theta 1 plus cot theta 2 divided by tan theta 1 minus cot theta 2 is equal to k plus 1 by k minus 1 because of t by component dividend we will get a minus c is equal to c plus d by c minus d. Okay, c plus d by c minus d. This is tan theta. This means this can be written as sin theta 1 by cos theta 1. This can be cos theta 2 by sin theta 2 divided by this is sin theta 1 by cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2 by sin theta 2. This is k plus 1 by k minus 1. On making LCM, on taking LCM minus theta 2 divided by this is cos theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal 1 plus k by this one 1 minus k, because common in this because cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2, on simplificating this 1 plus k by 1 minus k.